Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Gather fresh elderflowers, sugar, water, lemons, yeast, and a fermentation vessel. Use 30-40 heads of elderflower per 4 liters of water for strong aroma. Trim stalks and shake flowers to remove insects. Heat 4 liters of water with 1.5 kg sugar until dissolved, then cool to 25 degrees C. Add juice of 2 lemons and zest from 1 for acidity and pectin. Sprinkle 5g wine yeast. Stir gently. Cover with breathable cloth and leave 24 hours to infuse before straining. Do not use wilted or brown flowers. After straining, transfer liquid into a sanitized fermentation vessel and top up to 5 liters with water if needed. Fit an airlock and ferment at 18-22 degrees C for 7 to 14 days until bubbling slows. Rack into a secondary for 3 to 6 weeks to clear. Leave sediment behind. Taste at 2-week intervals and record gravity with a hydrometer aiming for 0. 998.1. 005 Sg for stability. Add 1 crushed Campden tablet per 5 liters if bottling early to stabilize. Avoid oxygen exposure when racking to reduce oxidation. When wine clears and gravity stabilizes, prepare for bottling using sanitized bottles and new corks or screw caps. If residual sweetness is desired, back sweeten with up to 100-200 g sugar per liter after stabilizing with 5 g potassium sorbate and sulfite. Measure with a scale. Fill bottles leaving 3.5 cm headspace, cork and label with date and ABV. Age elderflower wine for 6 to 12 months for floral integration. Chill to 10-12 degrees C and serve in tulip glasses. Store bottles upright for 24 hours, then lay on side for corks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.